This video is an instructional video on how to meditate. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today I'm going to show you how you can meditate. It's quite simple, really. I think a lot of people find it very mystical, but all you really have to do is sit comfortably. You can sit with your back straight. If you lay down, odds are you're going to fall asleep. And you can bring your hands into your lap, maybe make like an egg shape. And also, if you tilt your head down a little bit, that can help keep your thoughts from wandering off, to help keep you from dreaming, as the yogis say. So we want to sit with the spine straight. We want to have the belly soft. That is another important aspect of meditation, because having the belly soft can actually help us deal with our sorrow that we gather through our lifetimes from having things not work out for us, but also for having betrayal of people, for getting hurts. So the belly's soft, the spine is straight. You can close your eyes, and that can help keep you in your present moments. And you want to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose if you're able to. Just fill your stomach, fill your diaphragm, fill your chest. Inhaling through your nose, exhale through your nose. It's also possible to sit on a cushion on the floor. It's also possible to lay down. You can lay down and meditate to go to sleep. Just guide your thoughts back to your breath over and over whenever your mind wanders off, and it will wander off quite a bit. So don't be surprised if you have trouble keeping your thoughts in the present moment. Don't be surprised if you have to bring your awareness back to your breath over and over and over again. But sometimes it gets easier. It's good to have a meditation practice every single day. That helps us with emotional regulation. It can help pull you out of depression. It can help with anxiety. It can help with your blood pressure, your heart rate, and your overall satisfaction of life. And that is that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know if you've meditated before and if you find this helpful to get you on your way to your meditation practice. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.